Watch this. I just type, send our August newsletter to the customer list, and Claude writes it, personalizes it, and sends it through SendGrid. No dashboard, no drag and drop editor, no copy-paste. By the end of this video, your Claude will do this too, and it takes about 10 minutes to set up. If you run email for a business, you know the loop. Write copy in one tab, paste it into SendGrid in another. Fix the formatting, test send, fix it again. Connecting Claude directly to SendGrid kills that loop. You describe the email. Claude drafts it. You approve it. It sends. For me, that's about 2 hours a week back. And it gets better because Claude can also read your stats and manage your contact lists. 3 things. A SendGrid account. The free tier is fine to start. A verified sender. I'll show you that in a second. And the Claude desktop app. That's it. You don't need to be technical, and you don't need to install anything else. We built a free connector that plugs SendGrid into Claude. One download, one double click. I'll show you. First, your API key. In SendGrid. Settings. API keys. Create API key. I'm naming mine Claude. Now, here's the pro move most tutorials skip. Don't give it full access. Choose restricted access and turn on only what Claude needs. Mail send, template engine, stats, and marketing, contacts and lists. If this key ever leaks, the damage is capped. Copy the key now. SendGrid shows it exactly once. Second, verify your sender. Settings. Sender authentication. Verify the email address you'll send from. SendGrid will not send a single email without this. And if you're sending from your own domain, do the full domain authentication. It's a couple of DNS records, and your open rates will thank you. Now, the connection itself. And this is the easiest part. Full disclosure, we built this connector ourselves. It's free, it's open source, and it installs in about 30 seconds. The download link is right below in the description. Grab the file. Then in Claude Desktop, go to Settings, Extensions, Advanced Settings, and click Install Extension. Pick the file you just downloaded. Claude shows you exactly what you're getting. 10 tools, click Install. Then it asks for 2 things, your SendGrid API key, paste it, it's stored securely, and your sender email. You can also drop in your email signature here, so every email goes out with your branding. And notice this toggle, read-only mode. If you're not ready to give an AI send powers, turn it on. Claude can look at your stats and lists, but can't send a thing until you flip it back. And one last thing, don't skip it. Right after you finish the configuration, you'll see a button that says Disabled. Click it, so it says Enabled. If it's disabled, Claude can't see it. Now the test, always do this first. Send a test email to myself with the subject, Hello from Claude. There it is, connection works. Now the fun part. Write our August product update email. Friendly tone, based on these 3 bullet points. Show me a preview before sending anything. Claude drafts the whole thing. I want one change. Shorten the subject line and add a PS about the webinar. Good. Send it to the newsletter list. That whole thing took 4 minutes, and I never opened the SendGrid editor. Now watch this one. Send each contact on the VIP list a personal check-in email. Mention their company by name, keep it to 4 sentences, and show me all of them first. Every email is different. This is where it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like staff. And the next morning, how did yesterday's campaign do? Opens, clicks, bounces, and suggestions for next time. Your email program just got a feedback loop. 4 things before you go do this. 1. The free tier caps you at 100 emails a day. Fine for testing, not for a real list. 2. Always have Claude show you a preview before sending. You are the approval step. Keep it that way. 3. Deliverability is on you. Authenticate your domain or you're landing in spam no matter who wrote the email. 4. Your API key is a password. Restricted access. Never paste it anywhere public. Rotate it if you're unsure. So that's Claude plus SendGrid. And this is just the beginning. In this series, I'm connecting Claude to analytics, social media, even bank accounts, one tool at a time, step by step. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I want this for my business, but I don't have the time to build it all myself, that's literally what we do. We're a software development agency. Custom software, AI automations, full platforms. If you can describe it, we can build it. There's a contact link right below in the description. Reach out, tell us what you're trying to build, and we'll be happy to set something up and help out. More connections are coming. Subscribe so you don't miss them.